Clifton was my first boyfriend ever. I called him Clifton, everyone else called him Cliff. We had plans to get married and start a family, and he had his whole life to live. It's really a shame that something as simple as a text was the reason his life ended. For about a year, I didn't go this way. Clifton's grave site is directly on my path home, probably like 1 mile from where the car crash happened. And I didn't want to pass the grave site. So for about a year, I just went around. We're standing here right now because my fiancé was killed by a young lady texting and driving at this very spot in 2012. Whatever she was texting was more important than his life. Instead of planning happy things, weddings and a job, a career, we were planning his funeral. She's moved on with her life, but we're still stuck in time right here at this intersection where Clifton died. As you go along, you see it's not a my problem, it's a our problem. And I wanted to do something about it. The ultimate goal of Cliff is to have 0 fatalities on our roadways due to distracted driving. We started in 2012, and since that time, we have been advocating for distracted driving awareness. We wanted to make an impact.
So I think anytime we can have a positive with a group such as the CLIF organization, coming together, going to the legislature, promoting through different community activities, then I think that's got to be a plus.
My name is Sierra Foster. I hope that you, as my classmates, will pledge today to make safe driving decisions every day. I saw the pain that Larissa endured with Cliff, so it wasn't hard for me. I wanted to jump on it, and I wanted to help her raise awareness.
Sierra got chosen for the Cliff internship and scholarship. She has worked tirelessly throughout her high school and the community to really get the word out to her peers about distracted driving. When you guys pledge, I want you guys to really take the pledge seriously. It's not worth your life. I know it's hard, but you just try.
I will.
You can do it.
I knew she was strong, but going through this type of pain and then being able to start this organization, it showed me that she was stronger than I thought she was.
If I was in the passenger seat of the woman that was texting, I would tell her it can wait.